Are you a Power BI enthusiast looking for job opportunities worldwide? Here are the top 5 countries where Power BI professionals are in high demand. Honorov has written this newsletter. If you want to read, check description. First, the United States. With its data-driven industries like tech, healthcare, and finance, the U.S. leads the market for Power BI jobs. Both major corporations and startups seek skilled professionals. Second, India. As a global IT hub, India's demand for Power BI experts is skyrocketing due to outsourcing and digital transformation across industries like e-commerce and telecommunications. Third, the United Kingdom. In the UK, sectors like finance, consulting, and government rely on Power BI professionals to analyze complex datasets and drive database decisions. Fourth, Canada. The data analytics sector in Canada is booming, with industries like banking, insurance, and IT offering great opportunities for Power BI experts. Fifth, Germany. As Europe's industrial leader, Germany depends on Power BI to innovate in manufacturing, automotive, and logistics sectors, making it a hotspot for skilled professionals. Which country would you pick to grow your Power BI career? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights.